Hi, and welcome back to Dolly Do-Overs. My name is Renee Galvin, and today we will be doing a 3-in-1. We're going to take one doll and make her 3 different ways. So I thought we would start out today with a ball. Who's inside of this ball? Let's do some magic. In the snap of my fingers, we are going to open up this ball. Diva! Yes! Diva was my first doll that I ever got when I first started collecting the LOL dolls. And I have used her a bunch. And I'll show you a few of those right now. To show you my first doll, we're going to do a little bit of magic, and we have Velma from Scooby Do. She has cute glasses, a pleated skirt, and a little cowl neck and some brown hair. Totally changed the look of Diva and looks adorable. So here we're going to change her into Hermione Granger from Harry Potter. She was a fun one to do. I did lots of layers of outfits for that one, with a jacket and the sweater. Here we go. Who else can we make? Abracadabra and poof. We have Moana. This little princess is so fun. I've done her multiple times and I get better every time. She has lots of little tiny details, and you gotta get in there with a little tiny brush. She's a jewel necklace that you can see, and this is the first time I've ever done eyes that way. Here are all the 3 dolls that you can make just from having Diva. So this should give you some ideas for your next repaint. Look at these lovely ladies. They were so fun. Thank you guys so much for watching our 3-in-1 video. Remember to subscribe.